Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike, and today we're going to show you these were on the door. And where's my tape measurer? Is it in here? Oh, double darn it. Alright, hold on. You can see we're having lots of fun out here. It's also 195 below zero, but we're praising and grateful that we are working. Alright, so here's the tracks that were in there. Those are 15-inch radius, and what we've done already is we put in the 32s. Kadoink. So when you're measuring track, you go from the bottom of the reinforcement to where the vertical and horizontal meet, and you shall get your radius of track. Now, these are 32s. They also make 20s, 15s, 12, and 10. Okay, this is just it was a hollow door, and they put this vinyl insulation in there, and so we just added a little bit of extra tension, and it works great. 5250 drums, 100 and I think there were 25-inch cables, not 100%. But here's the back hang. So where's that stupid tape measure? We'll see how much it actually went up in the back. And you could also cheat and raise the verticals up a little bit, but you're at about 16 inches higher. So obviously this is good for if you have a car and you're gonna open the hatch up. When the door's open, you'll never hit it ever again. And if you've got the room, why not do it? But they're not doing that in here. What they're gonna be doing in here is making a little baseball hitting cage for their kid, and this is what they wanted because the old cage was a lot lower, and now we're not. So here we go. 2 fingers off the lock. Look at this. Balance like a dream. Okay. Oiled the door. Nylon rollers in there. And it balances like a dream. Okay. Cables are perfect length. And then for the opener, what we're doing here, they just went and got a store-bought, and then we just added a larger chunk of tube in the middle, extended the chain, and I don't know if it's exactly 8 feet, but we measured and it's gonna fit before it hits that beam right there, and we should be good with that. And apparently now the Chamberlains are giving you a full chain drive, which is no more half chain and half cable. That's the way they were doing it for a lot of years, and now they're not doing that. So whatever, full chain drive is fine with me with a tube rail, doesn't matter. That's going to go up there, and that's it. So this is a conversion for 15-inch to 32s for the baseball hitting cage. They also give you this larger, obviously, flag bracket that bolts up here to connect the two. So the kit comes with the 32s, these, the long cables, and drums. I didn't order it with the drums because over the years I have 10,475 pairs, so I don't really want those. And don't even ask me how I got them all. I just inherit them. So there's the door. It goes up really good. 32. You can see right there, it basically will fit 2 sections in the 32 in the hook. That's it. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thank you for watching our 32-inch radius video for the baseball batting cage on the snowy, freezing cold 0-degree weather day. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our freezing cold video. Brr. Here, I'll give you a video of my breath here. Man, it's cold out. Dude, cold. All right, thank you.